Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm inviting you all over to see how I decorated the house for Valentine's Day. It's a holiday I have been decorating for many years, since the kids were little, and I love it because it allows me to keep out so much red that I put out during the holidays. One of the areas I decorate is right next to our front door. It's our little shoe chest from Ikea, and over here I used a few things that I had out during the holidays, including my little red Walmart lantern house, a few things I've picked up over the years, and a couple of DIYs. That XO sign was a DIY last year here on the channel, and this year I made these puff hearts, and I have them in the 2-tier stand from the Target dollar spot. Now, swinging around right behind our front door, I have a new area to decorate this year. My husband and I made this coat rack just before the holidays, and it allows me just a little place to add a touch of each season. So I kept out my red lantern from Christmas. I added those red tin hearts from the Dollar Tree and a couple of things I've picked up over the years. And just to the left of that is one of my treasured possessions. This is a bench my husband built me for my 40th birthday from a headboard we found on the side of the road. Then just past that is our school cupboard. And over here you'll find my latest treasure. This is the bicycle I shared in a Big Lots shop with you guys, and it was just $12. I made the banner using a little scrap ribbon and a banner I picked up for 90 cents on clearance at Target. Down here is another one of my clearance finds from Target that I picked up after Christmas, a little chalkboard. Any guesses what the C stands for? In my bike basket, I added a few felt hearts to some floral I already had. Down here, I kept out almost everything from Christmas, all of my little houses, my red lantern, just adding my new heart lock from Walmart that I painted black. On my mirror, I hung a burlap DIY wreath that I made, I believe, last year using the Dollar Tree form. And just above that, I decorated this whole shelf using things that I already owned. Up here, I used a lot of greenery. The garland are a few strung together that were clearance finds at Target, some faux greenery I've had on hand, and some hearts I've either picked up or DIY'd over the years. Up here, I'm also using 2 thrifted finds, my black basket and my punched tin candle holder. Now, swinging around above our recliners, our lanterns are still out from Christmas with the shutters we DIY'd. And this is where I hung my new Valentine wreath that I DIY'd using a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree. I love how it gives just a little pop in this corner that would otherwise be pretty dark and boring. Now, to the left of that, I have a thrifted dresser that holds all of my wrapping supplies and a lot of our media. On top, I used my tray from Target Halloween clearance that I picked up at 90% off. In the tray, I put my Queen of Hearts crown that I picked up from a local grocery store for just $7 a long time ago. In the tray, I added some of my wooden beads, a couple of signs, a ceramic heart that I thrifted a couple years ago, and my latest DIY. So I have been a little under the weather, so instead of recording the whole process, I'm just sharing with you guys what I did with my little heart form from the Dollar Tree. I wrapped some fabric around it and I think it is so cute. Next to my dresser is our mantle, and it coordinates well with my Target banner. And you can see I kept out my little red houses from the dollar spot that I DIY painted. This is actually something you guys saw at Christmas, my little tin from Hobby Lobby. I just turned it around. My new lantern that I got on clearance at Home Goods, some free books, and those little heart blocks are a DIY I did last year. Now on into the kitchen, where I've kept a lot of things the same from Christmas. I did make this new little sign and this little hanging banner. It's hanging on a picture frame that I backed with some fabric instead of photos. And right next to that is my hutch. You'll notice a couple more of my DIYs, and this is where I used a few more of my houses that I had out during Christmas. That little white one is one that I painted from the Target dollar spot, and here's the little truck headed home with balloons for his sweetheart, one of my recent DIYs. On my shelves, I created a little Sweetheart's Bakery using some faux cakes and cupcakes that I made in one of my very first DIYs. I'll go ahead and link that video down below in the description for you. I have a thrifted plate and cookie jar, a tea towel from Christmas. On the lower shelf, I have more of my DIY cupcakes and the love sign from the Dollar Tree. I just painted it red and added a felt cupcake to go with my bakery theme over here. I hope you all enjoyed seeing how I decorated this year for Valentine's Day. I'll have all my other Valentine home tours linked below in the description for you to check out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.